This is our 72-hour dough. Beautiful, bubbly, and ready to go. But today, we're not making pizza, we're freezing it. The secret to freezing dough? Add an extra gram of yeast in your dough recipe. The freezing process kills off some of the yeast, so that extra boost makes it sure that when you thaw it out, there's still plenty of life. I'm not freezing all of this, I'm just pulling out 2 portions. Now we're gonna ball it up. This step matters. A good dough ball is what gives you a great pizza later. So I press lightly and then fold, and then I turn, grab the ends again, press and fold and turn. Just keep this on repeat until you have a nice taut ball. Each fold is creating tension on that surface. That's what we want. This second dough ball I'm doing on the counter. Just press and fold just like this. And remember to pinch that seam at the end. The rest of this dough is going right back in the fridge. I'm going to freeze these 2 different ways so you can see what works for you. Both simple. The first one, oil up your deli, place your dough inside, and freeze it. The second one, oil that skin, and then we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and place it in a baggie. Both go right into the freezer, and these will keep for 30 days. When you're ready, pull one out the night before. Let it thaw in the fridge, and then bring it to room temp, about 2 or 3 hours before you stretch. That's it. Pizza night whenever you want.